one of our online graphing websites that we can use. It's free and it works just as well, if not better, than Maple. Okay, so here right now in its default form, it plots this three-dimensional surface. Okay, but I'm going to clear the graph by coming over here to this clear all graphs button. Okay, and so none of these functions are clicked. So then I come over here to graph, and I want to graph a, let's see, a space curve. That's what I want to graph. So then I come over here and it opens up this box to a space curve. Number 10 has cosine of t, like it is in this default, for the x direction, negative cosine of t. So I'm just going to put cosine, whoops, cosine, okay, cosine of t for y, and then for the z coordinate, it's sine of t. So my guess is that if you look at the xz plane only, you'll have a circle. And if you look at the yz plane, you'll have a circle. And if you look at the xy plane, you'll have the line y equals negative x. So I'm just going to use the settings that they have here, and I'll graph it. And it's graphed this circle. Okay, so then we can rotate this, and we can look at just the xz plane, which is a circle, or we can look at just the xy plane, which there's our line. So here's your x-axis and the y-axis, and here's our line y equals x. And then the yz plane, let's see, we'll make y, so, sorry, well, there we go. Trying to make the x-axis come straight out, but here's the y-axis and here's the z-axis, and again you have this circle. So we can regraph this. So, and regraph it, and then you can put it back. And you can also animate it. So it will take the r vector and it'll trace the point around the curves. And you can also see how it traces it in the different planes. So here's your xz plane, and we'll animate it again. And so x is cosine, z is sine. Let's see. And so it just allows you to look at all the different axes, and you can see that it is just this circle that is in a plane in the z-axis. Well, not on the z-axis, but it's kind of, it goes up, it goes between positive, z equals positive 1 and z equals negative 1. And it goes between x and y equals positive 1 and negative 1. So you have this circle. And this is what it looks like. And this is incredibly difficult to draw in the on a two-dimensional piece of paper. That's why you can practice guessing what these things will look like and then drawing them here on this website.